Outside, man of steel, you know the pre. Yeah, man. Active, yeah, man of steel outside.
Active, you know? Active.
Yeah, man. Is it? Speak all boats. Man of steel, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. That is it, son. Yeah, man, we outside. Ready this road. Is he pre? With man of steel stunts. See it? I'm outside, man. Active. Man of steel. Where going, son? He's doing the galley wall. Is he? No money wall around here. That is it, son. Yeah. That is it, Mike. My G. Man of Steel, introduce yourself, son. Man of Steel.
That was just warm up.
Yeah. Yo, look at the dog train. Yo, show the chain. Yo, show the man in the S in the chest, now, son. Watch it, the S in the dog chest. See, pre, yeah, man, dog thing loud. See, pre. Just a warm up, as he said. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Brother, what a fly to pocket, son? What up, man? Brother, you can't have distraction in a youth. I'm to steal off, man. I'm to buy a nervous. Watch it. Him have them things that make him get nervous. Watch out. Him have him key and some silver make him get nervous. No nervousness around here, son. What again, man? Yeah, brother, nervous? Can I style like yo? Bro, take your time now, slow it down. Slow it down. Come on, slow it down, you go too fast.
Last one, bro, last one.
Bro, you go too fast. You go too fast, son. Slow it down, bro. Just slow down, you go too fast. Slow it down. Slow it down, bro. You need to stop that and get serious. You don't want to work some magic. Wait, I move nervous. Yo, move right in front of that. Don't do it in front of that one. Don't do it in the front of the van. Do it as well.